Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a professional dancer working on board a cruise ship for Celebrity Cruises. And right now we are in what is called the install period. So it means we just got on board the ship. It's our first month on board and we are opening all of our shows in the theatre and around the ship. And it is a real process. There's lots of moving parts, lots of different steps and lots of things that take us from where we were before when we learned the shows in the rehearsal studios in Miami to actually opening night of the shows. So I thought I would take you along for a behind the scenes look at step-by-step process of what that looks like. Disclaimer, this process was quite chaotic and all over the place, and so this video is kind of giving very similar energy to that, so buckle in. Good morning. It is day 2 of our Crystallize install. It is currently like 8:10 in the morning. We are in the gorgeous Bahamas and I've just come outside with my coffee to see the sun before starting rehearsals at 8:30. Pretty long day today, adding the automation, the technical elements, all of that kind of stuff. So lots of moving parts today, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to film, but I thought I would check in with you and say good morning. It's time to head to the theatre and get to work. Good morning. It is day 3. Yeah, day 3 of Crystallize install. We had a show yesterday. We had Tree of Life, so we didn't do any crystallized things. Today we need to add aerial components into the show. So there's lots of aerial stuff. And then they want to do a run of the show. What else? Oh, and then we have a rehearsal for Coolest Day Ever, which is a pop-up that we're doing at the end of the cruise, but we need to come up with a contingency to do an inside version in case the weather does not permit us to do it outside. And we also need to do a reblock version because I think I mentioned already, one of our lovely female dancers has unfortunately injured her foot, so she is out for a few days while she is doing physio and stuff with the medical team on board. So we need to come up with a plan of what we're going to do without her. I'm going to go and eat some lunch in the mess and then let's go to rehearsals. Good morning. It is the opening of the Coolest Day Ever, where we have 4 different pop-up performances throughout the day up on the pool deck. It's like a full day of activities for the guests. There's lots going on, all jam-packed up there. But I also have some crystallized rehearsals today in between. Yesterday was rockumentary, and so I didn't film anything because we didn't do any crystallized things. But today I do have some crystallized rehearsals. I'm going to be doing my aerial stuff, so I need to learn how I'm going to fly down headfirst from the ceiling at the beginning of the show. So we're doing that in between the first and the second pop-up. So yeah, first I need to go outside and ponder replay on the pool deck, and then we can come back for rehearsals. Hanging from a tree. Good morning. It has been a few days since I did anything Crystallize related. So yesterday was a show day of Tree of Life. The day before that it was Embark Day and we had Master 2.0. Did I have shows the day before that? Honestly, I've lost track of all of the space and time continuum at this point. But we have some more Crystallize rehearsals today. We are going to be adding in Gavin, one of our singers, because he had to go home for a while, but he is now back. So today we are losing our gorgeous and lovely Ethan, who is our swing, who we love. And I'm really upset because he has just been such a joy and delight to work with, but also to just get to know and become friends with. And so I want to just pop this little clip of Ethan in for you to see him. Well, we said goodbye to him last night. How are you?
Sad.
Why are you sad?
Because I'm leaving.
No!
Yay! Sorry.
Oh my gosh. No, we're so sad that you're leaving.
Yeah, we're so
sad
sad
I'm
that you're
leaving.
leaving.
We're going to miss you. We love you.
We love you.
So today we have another rehearsal and we are adding in the aerial routine. So when I did the aerial rehearsal before, it was just like how the actual process of getting into the aerial works. But now today we're actually going to be adding in the aerial choreography and adding everybody else onto the stage. So it's going to be a busy day. So let's go.
Lucid dreaming, losing what you love.
Hello, what's your name and what's your job?
Hi, I'm Celine and I'm one of the flight operator on board.
Where are you from?
All the way from the
Wow! And who is your favourite cast member on board? Careful, careful. Yes! We love you, Celine. Hello, sorry that I'm sat in the dark. They're currently doing a number that I'm not in on stage, and I haven't recorded an intro for you today because I had rockumentary yesterday, and then we had to wake up for a department meeting and then the drill before coming to rehearsals today, and so I'm really tired and I'm a bit delirious and I'm like, whoa, I'm supposed to be recording a YouTube video, so I'm so sorry for neglecting you and for sitting here in the dark, and I hope that you can hear me. Today we are adding our new singer Gavin into Crystallize. So we are adding him into the show and doing more technical elements of Crystallize and figuring out the reblock while we're one dancer down. So that is what is happening today. It's going well. Let me show you what's going on right now. It is 10 p.m. and we have just come back to the theatre, had the evening off, which has been lovely. And now we have our costume Q to Q, which was supposed to be yesterday, but just because of scheduling things, it has been moved to this evening instead. So a costume Q to Q is where we are going to try on all of our costumes in order, practice our quick changes and where we need to set them backstage, because like what we're doing backstage is just as important. Hey girl, is just as important as what we're doing on stage. So usually, unless we're in a reblock, we will always set our costumes in the same place, but I need to figure out what place that is. So I need to think, what, like after every number, what side do I leave? What do I need to change into and where do I need to re-enter? And then that's where I'll preset. Okay, so this is where it gets really fun because I take a pair of trousers off after the second number, but then I have to put them back on again for the fourth number. Three, two, one, go! Ah! Okay, here we go. Shoes off. Ooh, I got my panties out. Okay, new pair of leggings. Oh, I just heard something red. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I think we might have come down too early. Yeah. Oh well. But I can see that this change doesn't take that long, so that's great. Oh, I need to buy some invisible socks. Okay, I'm done. Good morning, it is day 700,000 here in the Celebrity Apex Theatre doing Install. Everyone is once again very tired but in very high spirits and in a good mood, which is amazing. We are fixing and rehearsing some things from yesterday, from the run that we did to try and improve them and make them a little bit better and cleaner. And then after lunch we are going to be doing a full conditions run of the show. So full out dancing, full out singing, full out acrobats. We are going to be wearing all of our costumes, doing all of our quick changes, all of the automation, the lights, the sound, like this. And yeah, that's the plan for today, because then we open the show tomorrow, which is so crazy. I feel like the fish from Finding Nemo today.
Today's the day! The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of... The tank is clean.
Because it is opening night of Crystallize and I can't believe it. I can't believe it. What a journey this show has been. Wow. This install specifically for this show has just been a little bit crazy because this is the last show that we're opening, which is always difficult because as well as rehearsing to open that show, you're also still performing the other shows that you've already opened. So that sort of takes away some of your rehearsal time. And then, like I said, one of our female dancers is sadly still injured, so we've been doing the process without her, so we had to do a reblock without her. Then when we did Rockumentary a few days ago, one of our male dancers sort of like sprained his ankle, twisted his ankle, So he is also not, he is fine, but he is also not in the show this evening because he was medically signed off for like the last few days of the rehearsal process, which have been, as you've seen, the most busy and important days of the whole thing. So we're in a double reblock, missing 2 people. So yeah, this show has just been a lot. And I'm so proud of the cast and the team and the install directors and the management and the onboard team for making this happen. Like, it is finally happening. We are opening Crystallize today. Touch wood, please let us open today, please. I'm really excited to get this show up in front of an audience. It's such a gorgeous show, like with all of the technical aspects, like the scrim tube, the projections, the LED screens, the aerial. We have a few more things that we need to like perfect before we can open, because normally we would try to do maybe 2 or 3 full out runs of the show and at least 2 of them in costume, but we've only done 1 full out run in costume with all the lights, automation, everything, which was yesterday, which went really well. There are just a few things that we need to sort of like refine before we open later on this evening. So we have a few different rehearsals for just some random little things this morning before the tech rehearsal, and then after that it's a normal show day. It is then the tech, 2 shows, 7 and 9, and oh my gosh, it's just crazy. You know, when you're like so busy and you're working towards something and then you finally reach what you've been working towards and it doesn't even feel real. That's how I feel. But it's now time for me to go to rehearsals because we have a show to open, baby! Woohoo! Let's go! Now we have 1 number to run back downstairs and do a quick change into a completely different outfit, different shoes. I need to put on a pair of socks. Ready for the next number? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Are we there? No. No, 1 more flight of stairs. One more flight. Yeah, I know. There's like an extra deck that I don't really understand how it exists, but anyway. Stunning, thank you, Liz. Let's go. It didn't always feel like it was going to happen, but we got there in the end. We opened Crystallize. The audiences loved it. It was so amazing. I'm super proud of this team and myself and this show. And yeah, we did it. We did it. So I hope this video is interesting and informative and showed you a bit more of what goes on in the theatre and the process of opening a show and all of the millions of things and people that are working tirelessly to make that happen. If you did enjoy this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel and join me in my little corner of the internet. I would love to have you here. As always, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I really do appreciate it. And I really hope that I get to see you in the next one. Bye.